G'day guys, today I'm doing some bait fishing with worms at Lake Weeroona in Bendigo. Now I'm most likely to catch carp or redfin here, but there is a slight chance of an eel-tailed catfish. Let's hope one of them comes along. So I've got my usual running sinker rig, a couple of juicy Jan Juc worms on the hook at the bottom there. And I'll put the first one straight out in front, just out there. Same setup on the second rod, and that's going over on an angle out there, just in front of that tree. And the bells are on. Well, that one's Ron, that one's Peter. Very tiny tap there, didn't ring the bell, but I saw it bounce. See if he wants to come back. I've been here a whole 2 minutes. Yeah, he's there. Got him. Oh, yes, no. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Got a bit snagged, I think. Oh well. Pop him back out where it was. A little bit further than what it was, so I don't get that same snag again. That was a decent bite. Let's see if he's still there, or if it's another snag that's having bites. Got him. It's a redfin. Not too bad of a redfin either. For this place, I usually catch tiddlers here. He's borderline filletable. Decent hump on his back anyway. Let's get the hook out and have a proper look. Pretty little redfin from Lake Weeroona. He's bleeding a bit because he was hooked a bit deep, but he should be fine. See you, mate. Yep, he hasn't come back up. He's off, no worries. And my first fish on the board after about 10 minutes. Not too bad. He even left the Jan Jucs on the hook, so I'll just get them back out where they were. That line's gone slack. I didn't see a bite, but it's gone slack, so something's played with it. Whether it's still there or not is the question. That was a decent pull. Looked like something bigger than the last redfin, but we'll see. Oh, I missed. Bugger. We won't see, apparently. Very tiny tap this time. Got him. That's not a little redfin, that's a bloody turtle. Ah, hate catching turtles. Come on, mate. Oh, I'll get you unhooked and back as quick as I can. Redfin and a turtle so far. Oh, I thought he was bleeding, but that's the colour under his shell. Alright, well, let's see where he's hooked first. Mate, where are you even hooked? Look, the turtle's head is way over there, and he's hooked down in there somewhere. Oh, I've got him in one of the feet. That's what's happened. I'll grab the pliers, I'll be able to whip that out. Sorry, buddy. If you hold still, I'll make this as quick as I can. There we go. Wasn't even that deep. He's a stinky little bugger, and I thought he was bleeding, but that's just the red under his shell. Really cool colour. Alright, mate, I can't lower you in. You're just going to have to go the plunge. See you, bud. I caught him over there. How about I let him go down there, actually? And then I hopefully don't catch you again. Just here will do. I can actually lower him in a bit too. Good spot. There you go, mate. He'll take off when he's ready. He's just sitting there. He's probably a bit freaked out, but he'll be fine. And he left me my worms on there as well. Well, he can't eat them when they're hooked in his foot, I suppose. back out they go. But there you go, Dave Hendricks from America, there's another turtle for you. Yeah, he took off, he was fine. He's not there anymore, so he's out there somewhere. Hopefully not over there, somewhere near my rods. He's on. Oh, he was on. I don't know how I missed that. I was just turning my camera off and on again, and the rod started bending over. Grabbed it, but I was too slow. I was stalling to turn my camera back on. There we go. Oh, are you kidding? Again? No, wait. I have got him. He's just really small. I was going to say again there was one on that just got off before I could strike, but here we go. Just a tiny little redfin. I was about to talk to the camera and say it's an hour since I caught the turtle and all the bites have stopped. And this guy came along just at the right time. Absolutely minuscule little redfin. See you later, mate. Off he goes. Well, 2 fish and a turtle on the board. Well, it's been very quiet since the sun came out and the clouds cleared, but hopefully that little redfin means they're going to start biting again now. Tiny tap again. Might be another little redfin, or it could be a pecky carp. I haven't seen a carp yet today, which is surprising. I may have spoken too soon though. Oh, it's another bloody turtle. Oh. Come on, mate. It's a little guy compared to the last one. Come here, mate. I'll get you sorted. You're not going to get out that way. Where are you hooked? Oh, I've hooked this one in the leg too. I'm pretty tricky. Okay, mate. Okay. I'm going to let you go. This one's raring to go. Unlike the last one, was a bit freaked out. See you, mate. Off he goes. Nice and quick. Alright, 2 turtles and 2 redfin. No big fish, but at least I'm catching. And the worms have seen better days, so I better get some fresh ones on there. I was just checking the bait on that rod. Got a pretty decent bite on this one. Got him. Oh, this one's got to be a carp, surely. Surely I've got a carp finally. Oh, it is the heaviest thing I've caught all day. That's for sure. Get out of there so I can see you. Oh my God. That's not... That's a horse of a redfin. Holy crap. Oh my God. I might get a measure on this guy. He's bloody huge. Just lay there for a minute, mate. Cheers. Oh, come on. Check it out. 41 centimeters. That is my PB redfin, believe it or not. And I caught it at Lake Weeroona in Bendigo. 41 centimeter horse of a reddy. Check that thing out. That is magnificent. And I'm not keeping fish today, so he gets to go back. Thank you so much for coming to play, you beast of a thing. See you later. Oh wow. PB redfin, 41 centimeters. That's 3 PBs in 2 weeks from me. I got a PB silver out of the Murray, a PB trout at 65 centimeters in a tiny little creek, and now a PB redfin at 41. What a beast. Whew. That's put a smile on my dial. It's funny, someone commented on my PB trout video this morning saying, oh, they come in threes, you're due for a third PB now. Well, he wasn't wrong. Sorry, I can't remember who it was, but you were dead right, mate. 3 PBs. And a couple of fresh Jan Juc worms on the hook, back out there in front of that tree. I don't know if you can see the screen on the camera, but it was Len LeMake. He said, the fishing gods have found their disciple. You've been chosen. Earlier you caught a PB silver, an extraordinary trophy fish. Now PB brown trout, another magnificent trophy fish. Mate, you're on a roll. Before this year finishes, I hope you can get another trophy fish and make it a trifecta. Well, Len, I've definitely done that. 41 centimetre redfin caught in the heart of Bendigo. Who would have thought? That looked like a redfin bite. A little redfin bite. Definitely not as big as the last one. Got him. No, I got a stick fish and he got off. I didn't even get to show you. Something funny's going on with this one. Keeps going slack. It's not moving, it's not ringing the bell, it's just going slack. If I had to guess, I reckon there's a turtle playing with it. Got whatever it is, and I was right. Another bloody turtle. Well, I'm on even par. 3 redfin, 3 turtles. No sign of a carp. Oh, look at the colours underneath this one. I'm going to have a quick look at him. He's very pretty. Probably the smallest one of the day. Come on, mate, let's get you sorted. And I've actually hooked this one in the mouth. But check out, look at the colours under the shell. That's really pretty. You're a very pretty little turtle, buddy. Now, that hook, I cannot even see any sign of that hook. So he's been playing with that for a while and he swallowed it. I'm just going to quickly, I'm not going to bite through the line because he'll probably bite my lip. I'm going to go get my handy little spring scissors and just cut it as close to his mouth as I can. Yeah, buddy. Just like that. And he'll get that out himself. We'll go release him in the same spot as the other two. Just up here. Sorry, mate. Just have another look. Wow. Such pretty colours. I love that red. Alright, let's get him in. He should run off. He seems like he's trying to. No, he's just going to sit there like the first one. That's alright, he'll go when he's ready like the first one. See you, mate. Well, unfortunately I've run out of time and GoPro batteries for today's session, but I got 3 turtles and 3 redfin, including my PB redfin at 41 centimetres. What a beast. Hopefully you enjoyed watching the video, guys. If you want to see the other PBs, the trout and the silver perch, just look back through my last 6 or 7 videos and you'll find them. Hopefully you enjoyed. See you next time.